Pizzaville. And Doritos. What do we got in here? Oh, pizza by the slice. I need to see the sign. Oyabong Sushi. I like the look of that place. The brunch and bistro with a double B on the side. Nature's footwear. Cobb's bread. You got Cobb's bread here? No way. Square Market. Brunch and bistro. No worries. Oh, no, just go! Okay, that's one way to park. Club men. Let me get some men's shorts, some socks. Casa Mia. This looks nice. They have like little sandwiches I can take. Oh, Tim Hortons. And then back up to Q Beach. Dental office. Right, here it is. So when these lights go flashing, everyone here needs to stop. You can't pass it. People are just getting out. So they gotta get out, go onto the street and get to the sidewalk safely because this thing's on the track. You see the track there? And there it is. There's the electricity. Everyone on here is on the tram. On the merry way on the track. Apparently people who aren't from here, well, they won't know what those flashing lights mean. It's like, why would you? And then people get out and get hit by cars. It's horrible. It's horrible. That's a horrible, horrible thing. In honor of those who served, let's take a moment to remember. Those who served. Pool. Oh, that pool's a Pokestop. That pool's a Pokestop. I didn't know there was A&W here. Fat Bastard Burrito. You can just hear the cicadas going.